Well, good morning again, Sunday morning from Florida, sunny Florida. Well, not sunny Florida. It's chance of rain today. Chance of rain today, 75, 80%, plus a little tornado in effect too. Hopefully not, because you never know where those tornadoes go. Heading to Wellington, my job, put up some lights today. Hopefully I don't get caught in the rain. If so, hopefully not. Alright, we'll see you in Wellington. Well, I'm over here in Wellington now. I'm waiting for the boss to come here to open up the warehouse to get lights, to do outside lights. I'm going to replace some lights today. Well, I took them down already. Just have to put them back. So those are the lights that we took off. The lights we're going to put on with the bracket. So we're going to replace those ones that we had up with these ones. One's round, one's flat. Okay, get the first light up. Had to drill another hole. I gotta change that box because it's rusted out. Well, all I got was 2 lights up. It started drizzling, raining. Now it's raining real heavy. Now it's 12:42, going for lunch. Hopefully it clears up so I get another one done. But it's supposed to have thunderstorms right now, a little tornado activity later. Alright, see what happens later. See? Raining. Real hard. Okay, the sun's back out now. I'll try and come back out. I'll try to get another one done. I got 6 of them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 there. I got 2 more to do. I got that one to do on this side and one on the other side. Okay. They're on. They're working. And then gotta replace all those other ones. We're replacing all those with new ones, even though they were still working. And I replaced those like 2 weeks ago. They're working too. This is the house now. We had to redo the landscape lighting today because they added this pool on previous. So it took 9 hours to do. 2 there. Got those big lights again on those trees. Let's see. Yeah, I guess it lights up pretty good. I don't know why that light is on. And then in this area, we put these path lights in. And then out here, I got some dark areas. But I can't put on too many. There. And there. If you remember, the house before had the trellis go up and over there.